The Black Death and how it reshaped the world. Between 1347 and 1351, the Black Death killed between 75 and 200 million people, making it one of the worst pandemics in human history. However, its effects extended far beyond illness and death. We learn how this devastating incident changed the course of history in this video. Through trade channels, the bubonic plague quickly expanded from its Central Asian origins across Europe, North Africa, and the Middle East. The social order fell apart when whole communities were destroyed. Landowners lost authority over workers as a result of the abrupt death toll and labor scarcity. Serfs' demands for improved pay and living circumstances caused the feudal system to gradually disintegrate. Religious organizations were also closely examined. Many people started to doubt the church's power when prayers failed to halt the disease. The religious reform groups that would emerge centuries later were influenced by this loss of faith. Changes in public health and medicine were also brought about by the Black Death. Early advancements in cleanliness and quarantine were made possible by the need to study illness. Even if medieval science was unable to cure the plague, the atrocities of the period were represented in literature and art. Death, grief, and life's frailty became major themes in European culture, impacting everything from poetry to art. Most significantly, the plague signaled the end of the Middle Ages and paved the way for the Renaissance, which was characterized by a resurgence of invention, humanism, and science. Come see how a single epidemic changed civilizations, economies, and beliefs on many continents. Enjoyed the video? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us grow and bring more awesome content. Hit the bell icon too so you never miss an update.